Hey Glam Beauties, welcome back to my channel. Madam CJ Ma'am Glam, and I'm here to bring you November 2019 Boxycharm unboxing. It actually came on yesterday, but I'm just getting to it. So the theme this month is, let me bring this here back. Let's see. It is Boxycharm Stellar, and this is how it looks. The first thing that we have is Becca foundation little samples. Yeah. Next thing we have is these here gloves. This is my second time doing this here. The lawn man was just a little too loud, so I just decided to re-record this. But these are Boxycharm brushes, and these are gorgeous. I didn't really realize that they had started making their own brushes until I read it. And this is really nice foundation brush. Very nice. And these are the brushes again. Let's see. Let me read it. It says, two-piece brush set. Create your favorite look in total luxury with our first ever Boxycharm brand brush set. The large multi-purpose powder brush is perfect for liquid, creams, powders, and mineral products, and the foundation brush has an oval base to help with precise foundation placement and seamless blending. These ultra soft brushes are handcrafted, synthetic, and cruelty-free, and they manufactured for $35. These are nice, and I love the little clear waterproof pouch it comes in, so that's nice. And I received them rather late. Today is what, the 16th? I normally get my stuff around the 8th or 9th, but you know, they probably upset with me because I didn't do both. Okay, these are Tula skincare, and I have two of them, and these here are basically face masks for acne prone skin, and it helps clear up supposedly marks from old acne. So, and these here manufactured for $22. So, and these are Tula skincare Star Power nourishing and brightening cosmetic hydrogel mask set of 2. They're pretty thick too. And then the next thing is this dose of color, and this is in the color Charmed. Let's see. Let me do a swatch of this here. Let's see. Dose of colors, liquid matte lipstick. Oh, that's good. Oh no, I don't have this one here, but I need to make sure. This one here, our liquid matte lipstick, has a very velvety, high fashion matte finish which envelops lips in rich, long wearing color. It applies as a creamy liquid, but after a few minutes it dries to an ultra comfortable matte finish. And this is how it looks. I wonder why I'm getting this dark shadow right down here. Let me bring this box over. Yeah, I'm getting that dark shadow. Let's see. Yeah, I believe I have this here color, but this is how it looks. It's gorgeous. Beautiful. And this is Charmed. I will see in a minute. I probably should have seen beforehand because I could have put this in my little Christmas giveaway. And then we have, and this is some good stuff. I remember selling a lot of this here. Ladies that have used it for years, they are very faithful to this. Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkling Eye Treatment. And let's see. This here manufactured for $50. Yeah. This is nice. Let me open this up. And this is how it looks in the packaging. It's really nice. Yep, very nice. Put this with our mother skincare. And what? I guess this is the last thing. Celestial Thunder. And this is Dominique Cosmetics. Celestial Thunder is an explosive of vivid pigments, shadows, and glittery foils with 8 uniquely formulated shades for a creative colorful eye look or a simple pop of electric color. These vibrantly made shades tell a cosmetic story, cosmic story, and bring the universe to life. And this retail for $35. Let's see how she looks inside. Okay. Let's see. Oh, she is really nice. And I'm going to do a couple of swatches. I'm going to do swatches on all of them. So I'm going to pause it real quick. Okay, now this top row, you know, I definitely have some Urban Decay that's like this here. So, I mean, there's nothing really groundbreaking about it, but this is a palette, well, a brand that I do not have in my collection. Now, let's see. This Eternal Light Fireball Black Matter Zero Gravity. Then we have Lucid Dream, Storm Dust, Lunar Eclipse, and Mystic Ice. Okay, and here they are right here. Top row, and then bottom row. On that blue, I had to go in a second time. Let's see. I don't know what's going on with this lighting. Let's see. Let me turn this little light on so y'all can get a good visual. Maybe that's better. Yeah, that's a little better. And then again, this is the top row. Like I said, Urban Decay, I definitely have these here colors, especially this one here, right here. But these are the shades again on my skin tone. So, Glam Beauties, that is going to conclude my November unboxing of Boxycharm. It was okay, you know. I'm okay with it. I just hope that this here lippy that I swatched, I don't have, because I could have put that in a giveaway. All right, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And until next time, Glam Beauties, smooches. Bye bye.